All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of work gloves if you have some. Before any repairs, always unplug and disconnect your appliance from the mains. We need to gain access to the rear of the washing machine. Remove the screws holding the rear panel in place. On this Hotpoint model, there are 6 screws to remove. The rear panel can then be removed and placed to one side. Now is a good time to pop a pair of work gloves on if you have some. To remove the old belt, simply pull the belt towards you while spinning the pulley. Now to install your new belt, attach it to the motor spindle with the ridge side facing up. Start off by attaching the belt to the pulley on the side where the motor spindle is. Here it's the right hand side. Then begin to turn the pulley and feed the belt on. Give the pulley a spin to make sure the belt is sat on correctly. Reattach your rear panel and re-screw all of the screws back in place. And that's it, your new washing machine belt is all set to go.